Anonymous meeting. Hello everybody, my name is Reidar. I've been in the clear for 2 years, 10 months and 17 days. Now you're all supposed to say, hello Reidar. Yes. How many, I know many of people here, but I need to ask at this stage, how many here have been working at Nokia at some stage? Right. How many have been working at HP and working closely with Nokia at some stage? Right. Exactly. So that, is there somebody who didn't put up their hand just now? 3. Great. Okay. Well, I have to say I'm happy to be here. I have lots of slides, but I'll be very brief. I thought it was like 5 minutes, this elevator pitch. So that's what I'm prepared to do. I'm happy to reply to answer your questions, of course, and tell you more. I did work for Samsung here in between. Marketing the world's most bought television sets and world's most bought computer monitors, second most bought printers, etc., in between as well. But a year and a half ago, I returned to doing what I really wanted to be doing. And it really, as I said, I returned, which means that this is something that I've been doing since 1989. I recently celebrated exactly 20 years ago when I delivered my first brain training session. And Briim is the company and also a research institute that I'm building right now, with the goal of really being able to provide concrete tools for people to train their brains. I'm sorry I was late. I was here at Ideal Fit, EIRA, Ideal Fit, which is a fitness center chain. Last week we started regular aerobic training there. So I was there delivering with Finland's first authorized aerobic instructor a 45-minute session of aerobic training with music to the participants. And I won't go deeper into the philosophy and what it contains and what it's about other than this single slide. These are the skills which you can train using the Briim system. There are concrete tools and methods for learning how to be more creative, communicate more effectively, in other words, influence people more effectively, how to remember things, how to maintain your determination, make selections, choices, really work with your emotions, feelings, know what you want, stick to them, in other words, keep those decisions over time, or over a shorter period of time, over minutes or hours, which typically is called concentration, focusing, which is closely related to relaxation, leaving out thoughts that you really don't want to be thinking right now, but being able to be very relaxed. Visualization is something we also all know how to do, like all these other skills. The fact is, however, people aren't very skilled at using their brains. People are not very skilled at sitting. People are not very skilled at walking. Thousands of Finns every year have to go to a doctor because they sit improperly. There are lots of daily things we do which are not very intelligent or effective or good for us. The same goes with breathing. Thousands of Finns every year pay lots of money and spend a lot of time to learn how to breathe because they want to sing, speak, dive, skydive, give birth, etc. Same goes with walking. My great challenge, in other words, is to really be able to point out to people that they are not very skilled at using their brains, which